Welcome back, guys. I got a really cool part today in the mail and I really want to put it on, so let's get to it. So I ordered a part from Subiespeed and I was really excited to buy this, so let's check it out. Ooh. So these are the Subiespeed S4 Bezel. What is it called? Subiespeed S4 Bezel lights. These are called the S4 Bezel lights. Of course, these are only replicas. These aren't really the real thing. So let's get to installing. Also, by the way, I'm actually not going to be going into full detail. I'm just going to show you how to put it on. If you want a full detailed install, I will link some videos down below and they will show you how to do everything. So let's get to it. So there are some clips and screws on top and on bottom that we have to take off first. So okay, so now we're going to connect the wiring harness. So my camera just died, so now that we got both bezels on here, now it's time to plug everything back in and put it on the car. So now that the bumper is back on, let's turn on the lights and see how they look. Oh wow, that looks absolutely amazing. That looks so cool. I know what you're gonna say. I don't have fog lights, but I will do something about that soon, so stay tuned. But to be honest, I'm kind of liking the no fog light look. If you guys like this video, please be sure to leave a like down. If you want me to do more installs, please leave a comment in below and tell me what's next. I hope to do a lot more things to this car, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you next time.